In the vast expanse of the universe, there exists a frequency so potent, it has the power to transform the average individual into a beacon of prosperity and success. This isn't the stuff of science fiction. It's the very real journey to becoming a multimillionaire, a path paved with the golden bricks of mindset, routine, and unwavering resolve. It all started with Big Gang. The aftermath of this event was felt immediately as vibrations reverberated through the nascent universe. These vibrations, the very essence of creation, sparked the dynamic interplay of forces, birthing particles and shaping reality. As Nikola Tesla famously remarked, understanding the secrets of the universe involves delving into energy, frequency, and vibration. Modern studies even suggest that the vibrational nature of reality extends beyond physical objects to our thoughts and emotions. Exploring these vibrations and their influence on our reality has become a personal quest. I've delved deep into understanding how our thoughts and feelings shape the fabric of our existence. In today's discourse, I'll unravel how the vibrations of our consciousness sculpt the reality we experience. By shifting our baseline vibration, we can catalyze a transformative journey into an alternate reality, a reality of our choosing. To embark on this journey, we must first grasp the intricacies of consciousness. David R. Hawkins' profound insights into the levels of consciousness offer a guiding light. Through his work, we learn that our feelings resonate at specific frequencies, shaping our reality. These frequencies, arranged logarithmically, illustrate the vast spectrum of human experience, from the depths of shame to the heights of enlightenment. It's a scale where each shift represents exponential growth in energy and consciousness. Yet amidst this spectrum, societal pendulums sway, exerting a subtle yet pervasive influence. These pendulums, manifestations of collective consciousness, seek to ensnare our energy, compelling conformity to their frequency. From education systems to social norms, pendulums dictate our thoughts and actions, fostering a win-lose paradigm. They thrive on fear, desire, anger, and pride, anchoring us to lower levels of consciousness. Breaking free from these pendulums requires a shift in consciousness, a transcendence to higher vibrational states. It demands a surrender, not of effort, but of resistance, a surrender that flows from acceptance and letting be. In this surrender lies the key to unlocking our true potential. By releasing the grip of resistance, we open ourselves to the flow of life, allowing reality to unfold effortlessly. Yet surrender alone is not enough. We must balance effort with surrender, engaging in focused action while relinquishing attachment to outcomes. It's a delicate dance of intention and release, of striving and letting go. Central to this dance is our focus and attention. Like beacons of light, they illuminate the path ahead, guiding us towards our desires. By directing our focus towards what we want, we amplify its presence in our reality. However, we must beware of placing our desires on pedestals, for whatever we elevate above us will cast a shadow of resistance. Instead, we must lower the importance of our goals, allowing them to materialize effortlessly. This shift in perspective, from striving to surrender, from fixation to flow, ushers in a new era of manifestation. It empowers us to co-create our reality, aligning our intentions with the natural rhythms of the universe. As we journey deeper into the realms of consciousness, let us remember that the true essence of creation lies not in forceful exertion, but in graceful surrender. By embracing the flow of life, we unlock boundless possibilities, shaping our destiny with every thought, feeling, and action. So let us embark on this transformative odyssey, guided by the wisdom of the ages and the vibrational currents of our souls. For in the dance of creation, we discover the true magic of existence, the power to manifest our dreams and awaken to the infinite potential within. The first step on this transformative trek is the adoption of a prosperity mindset, a critical shift from scarcity to a belief in limitless possibilities. It's about self-mastery, controlling your thoughts and emotions to align with the vibrations of wealth and success. Imagine waking up each day, your mind a fertile ground where the seeds of prosperity are sown with every positive affirmation you whisper to the dawn. As the sun rises, so does the multi-millionaire in the making, Daily routines become the scaffolding for building a towering edifice of success. It starts with the morning, a sacred time for setting intentions, meditating on your goals, and charging into the day with a heart full of determination. This is where champions are forged, in the quiet moments before the world stirs, where commitment dances with ambition in the first light of day. Accountability is the compass that keeps you on course, a steadfast ally in the face of life's storms. It's about owning your present, acknowledging where you stand, and taking the helm to steer your life towards uncharted waters of achievement. It's a pledge to rise, to soar above the challenges that once tethered you to mediocrity. The art of manifestation is not a passive wish upon a star, but an active engagement with the universe. It's embodying the frequency of success, channeling your efforts and dedication into a symphony of actions that resonate with the echoes of future triumphs. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, a test of patience and perseverance, where the finish line is not a place, but a state of being, rich in both wealth and spirit. The pursuit of wealth is not merely a chase for material gain, but a deep commitment to one's goals and passions. It's a labor of love, where hard work and dedication are the currency of progress. It's an investment in the self, a continuous journey of self-improvement, where every setback is a lesson and every victory a stepping stone to greater heights. Let's dive into the morning routine that sets you up for success in achieving that millionaire status. But first, make sure to bookmark this video, or whatever you need to do to come back to it. I want you to start your day by listening to this message, because the moment you wake up is the moment reality kicks in. When you're asleep, you're in a different dimension, but when you rise, you're back in control, ready for another shot at greatness. Now let's talk about your mindset. When you wake up, what's your first thought? Are you going to tackle the day like a conqueror or wallow in complaints? Remember, you're the master of your own reality. You decide whether you're going to make things happen or let life happen to you. Embrace the fact that you are solely in control of your journey. But here's the kicker. Don't fall into the trap of what I call negative positivity. It's all about being overly positive without acknowledging the reality of your situation. Instead, accept where you are, take accountability for how you got there, and commit to rising above it. Now let's talk about manifestation. It's not just about wishing for things to happen and expecting them to magically materialize. Manifestation is about embodying the frequency of success, conquering your inner doubts, and taking action every single day to make your dreams a reality. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Success takes time, patience, and relentless dedication. But if you stay committed and surround yourself with the right people, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So start each day with the mindset of a winner and watch as the universe aligns in your favor. Now let's not forget the Neville Goddard exercise to reinforce these principles. Visualize yourself as the embodiment of success, prosperity, and power. Affirm your belief in your abilities and your vision for success. Express gratitude for what you have and declare your intentions for what you will achieve. Repeat this exercise regularly, whether in the morning, before bed, or during your daily routine, to reinforce your mindset of success. And finally, let me speak greatness into your life. You are powerful beyond measure, capable of achieving anything you desire. Embrace your inner warrior, conquer your fears, and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. You've got this.